Là, il va y avoir le photo.
Mais c'est pour ça qu'on fait.
A powerful storm hit the western French Riviera on Tuesday, particularly affecting roads in Antibes, in the Alpes-Maritimes department. In just a few hours, the equivalent of a month's worth of rain fell. Heavy rain. A stagnant storm over Antibes and Juan-les-Pins caused significant rainfall on Tuesday, February 3rd. The town hall of the Alpes-Maritimes municipality announced on Facebook, describing urban surface runoff and hail. Keraunos, the French Observatory for Severe Storms and Tornadoes, indicated that the equivalent of a month's worth of rain fell in just a few hours. The most affected areas are located west of the city, particularly on the eucalyptus side, on the border with Valaris, but also on the downtown side of Juan-les-Pins and the northern tip of Antibes. Due to the severe weather, which began shortly after 8 p.m., street lighting and some traffic lights were temporarily out of service on various roads, the source said. The data is impressive. In the Austrian sector, the water level rose by up to 60 centimeters, while in Val Claret, up to 40 centimeters was recorded at its lowest point. Videos showing streets completely flooded and covered in hail have been posted on social media. The water was up to our knees, said Charles, a resident. Cars were at risk of being submerged. There was too much water, that's for sure. They had predicted flooding, but not this bad. As the skies calmed, Thouret Street in Old Antibes was covered in hail, as recorded by our colleagues in Nice Matin. There was no order to evacuate the campsites as the residents were directed to designated evacuation areas, the town hall stated in a situation report published in the evening. No major damage to public property was reported, apart from a few trash bins that were swept away by the flood, the source added, announcing that the situation has now returned to normal. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but a couple was successfully evacuated, and firefighters, assisted by resources from Nice, intervened approximately 10 times. The Alpes-Maritimes region was placed on yellow alert for rain, flooding, and thunderstorms on Tuesday evening.